Welcome to this week's RUSD Quick Tip. My name is Janet Sewell, and in this lesson, we'll explore the components of fluency as we move from decoding to automaticity. Let's begin. What is fluency? Fluency is described as the ability to read with accuracy, appropriate rate, or how fast a student reads, and prosody. According to the California ELA framework, children who can efficiently access print have the cognitive resources available to engage in meaning making. Further, students read with sufficient accuracy and fluency to support comprehension. The fluency standard further emphasizes comprehension by including that students read on-level text with purpose and understanding and use context to confirm or self-correct word recognition and understanding. Research suggests that it is important when children read aloud written text for an audience such as their peers or family members. However, the primary value of fluency is that it enables comprehension. In fact, students read with sufficient accuracy and fluency to support comprehension. It's important to note that although meaning making with text is dependent on fluent decoding, it involves much more. Evidence suggests the relationship between fluency and comprehension is reciprocal. Fluency contributes to comprehension, and comprehension contributes to fluency. As seen in this Fluency Matters protocol, created by our language and literacy team, students should be expected to engage in activities that support accuracy, phrasing, rate, and prosody. Let's take a look at how you might use the curriculum to support students in fluency by incorporating accuracy and phrasing in fluency instruction within the classroom. First, teachers display a passage from the selected reading of the week. Students should have a copy of the passage inside a sheet protector or have a digital copy available for online markup. On day 1 of the fluency routine, teachers model accuracy, while students track the text with their finger or other engagement tool, such as a pencil, eraser, craft stick, or paintbrush. After modeling for accuracy, engage students in identifying how to chunk sentences into phrases. Phrasing, sometimes known as scooping, is the grouping of words together, as in normal speech, pausing appropriately between phrases, clauses, and sentences. Let's take a look at how you might instruct phrasing in the elementary classroom, grades 2 through 6. In this lesson, teachers engage students in identifying how to chunk sentences into phrases. Teachers explain to students that they can use slashes or marking a phrase for a chunk of text. Draw a single slash to mark a phrase. Draw a double slash to mark the end of a sentence. Teachers should display a passage from the selected reading of the week. Preferably, it's the same passage that was used for accuracy modeling. Students would ideally have a copy of the passage or have a digital copy available for online markup. Let's take a look at a sample paragraph from our 4th grade curriculum. Here you see single slashes denoting the bare bones of the sentence. Bare bone is the basic subject and predicate of a sentence. As you can see, the slashes have a direct correlation to the parts of a sentence, as it is how you would read with inflection. End of sentences are marked with that double slash. Teachers would model the first sentence for students. Then, teachers would ask students to identify the appropriate phrasing of the next sentence. Partners could work together to identify the remaining sentences, chunking or phrasing. Once the selected text from passage has been marked up, students would read phrase by phrase. A good practice is to have students write the phrases as seen here. Then, individually or with a partner, students read the phrases. Alternately, teachers can display the phrases and instruct students to read down or up or random for cued practice. These important practices of direct instruction of both accuracy and phrasing should occur before students practice fluency as they use familiar text throughout the week's lesson. Look for an upcoming lesson on close fluency and prosody to further support reading fluency. I hope you found this early literacy tip useful as you move your students from decoding to automaticity in fluency to support their reading comprehension. You can find this and other resources to support your early literacy instruction on the RUSD ELA SLA website as seen here. I'm Janet Sewell. I'll see you soon for our next quick tip.